Section 1. A glimmer on the horizon, the coming utility wave. A foundational shift is gathering momentum in digital assets and decentralized tech. As we approach late 2025, the narrative pivots from speculation to tangible, real-world utility. Through early 2026, this will redefine how people interact with blockchains. At the forefront, two aligned projects, Pi Network and Stellar, both pointing to real-world utility. With upgrades prioritizing usability, accessibility, and practical application, they aim to make blockchain cheaper, faster, and dramatically easier for everyone. Section 2. Soroban and the Dawn of 173 plus dApps. The catalyst, Soroban smart contracts integrating with Pi. Not just a feature, it's the key to a universe of possibilities. Soroban is built for safety, scalability, and developer friendliness. Pi evolves from phone mining to a full Web3 ecosystem. Over 173 dApps, already in the pipeline, will go live. From P2P marketplaces to DeFi tools to social platforms, the volume drives network effects. A designer in Southeast Asia gets paid in seconds, for a fraction of a cent. No platform fees, no bank delays. A neighborhood funds projects via a transparent, smart contract treasury. Section 3. The mechanics of utility. Pi DeFi, AI-driven payments and tokenization expand real utility. Lending, borrowing, yield, built for simplicity and accessibility. Onboard, lend a small amount or take a small collateralized loan easily. AI analyzes spending, suggests budgets, schedules payments optimally. Businesses auto-generate invoices, track on-chain, and follow up automatically. Tokenization, create digital tokens representing real-world assets. Start with tickets, gift cards, and loyalty points, transferable and verifiable. Scale to fractional property income and small business revenue shares, paid out by smart contracts. Pi's accessibility turns tokenization into a tool for shared ownership and local investment. Real features for real people, delivered by smart contracts, AI, and intuitive UX. Section 4. Stellar's evolution. The quiet power of Protocol 23. Stellar excels at fast, low-cost payments, asset issuance, and remittances. Protocol 23 isn't flashy. It strengthens robustness, versatility, and developer experience. Better state management, scalable throughput, and fee refinements for predictably low costs. More flexible transactions and tools simplify building on the Stellar ledger. Example: a mobile money operator issues a local stablecoin. A remitter converts euros to it and delivers in seconds at tiny cost. Stellar isn't trying to be everything, it's standardizing value movement. Protocol 23 boosts resilience, efficiency, and interoperability. When businesses need reliable, affordable payments or token issuance, Stellar is the logical choice. At first glance, Pi and Stellar look like competitors. Look closer, they're complementary. Different strategies, target audiences, and core functions mean one's success amplifies the others. Pi cultivates a consumer-facing ecosystem and vibrant in-app economy. Stellar perfects institutional-grade financial rails. Pi builds the last mile to the smartphone. Stellar builds superhighways between financial islands. Stellar's anchor ecosystem bridges fiat and crypto across currencies and borders. A Pi marketplace lets users cash out via a Stellar backend, Pi engagement on platform, Stellar off-ramp to bank accounts. Together they form a cohesive Web3, user-first apps plus world-class payments infrastructure, complementary paths, one destination, adoption. The measure isn't charts, it's benefits to people and businesses. Solving money problems of access and opportunity, especially in underserved regions. A Canadian client pays CAD stablecoin. The Filipino freelancer receives PHP stablecoin in seconds for less than a penny. A local artisan sells via a Pi marketplace, accepts Pi, avoids 3% card fees, improves margins. Immutable on-chain records simplify accounting and audits. A farmer uses tokenized future harvest as collateral to secure a microloan. A cooperative issues shares for a solar project. Neighbors invest small amounts and earn dividends. By reducing friction and removing intermediaries, more value stays with earners. Families send remittances affordably. Merchants accept digital payments without expensive hardware. The tech is a means to an equitable, accessible global economy. Human impact is the central theme of the utility revolution. The utility wave is powered by AI, DeFi, and real-world utility converging. AI makes apps smarter. DeFi provides open finance. Real-world focus ensures problems get solved. On Pi, an AI assistant explains risks, suggests loan-to-value, and monitors liquidation risk. On Stellar, AI finds the fastest, cheapest corridor, abstracting anchors and liquidity pools. AI makes crypto usable for non-experts. DeFi supplies transparent, efficient rails. A Pi shopping app auto-stakes spare change. A Stellar payroll hedges FX, settled on DeFi rails. These save time, reduce costs, and unlock new opportunities, bridging niche to mainstream. Intelligence plus open finance plus utility. That's the adoption formula. The shift won't happen overnight. It follows a practical roadmap. Step 1. Build core tools and launch core dApps. Soroban release. 173 plus Pi dApps. Stellar's protocol. 23 live. Anchors enabled. Step 2. Enhance UX, integrate AI, and start tokenization. Tickets and collectibles first. More currencies and regions on Stellar. Step 3. Educate users and scale. Guides, tutorials, support. Infrascales while fees stay low. Step 4. Mature security and governance. Audits, bounties, monitoring, and on-chain participation. Late 2025 to early 2026, a watershed as Pi's, dApps, and Stellar's infra converge on utility. Educate yourself, practice safe self-custody, start small, follow official Pi and Stellar sources, and beware scams. Builders, study Soroban and Protocol 23, solve real problems, ship simple, valuable apps. Useful, user-friendly, low-cost dApps are in demand. The Web3 Utility Revolution is loading. Are you ready?